Want to write clean and reusable code in C++? If you're looking to improve your coding skills and make your programs more efficient, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of functions in C++. Functions are a fundamental concept in programming that can help you write cleaner, more organized, and reusable code. Let's learn about functions. Functions are essentially blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They allow you to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces. This not only makes your code easier to read and understand, but also makes it easier to debug and maintain. Imagine you have a task that you need to perform multiple times throughout your program. Instead of writing the same code over and over again, you can write a function once and call it whenever you need it. This is the power of functions. Functions are blocks of reusable code that perform specific tasks. They can take inputs called parameters and return an output. This makes them incredibly versatile and powerful. They make your code organized and easier to maintain. By using functions, you can keep your code dry, which stands for don't repeat yourself. This principle is key to writing efficient and maintainable code. Here's how it works. Let's start with the basics of function declaration and definition. Function declaration. A function declaration tells the compiler about a function's name, return type, and parameters. It doesn't contain the actual body of the function. For example, a simple function to add two numbers might be declared like this. Function definition. This is where you actually write the code for the function. The definition includes the function's body, which contains the statements that define what the function does. For our function, the definition would look like this. Defines a function that takes two numbers and returns their sum. This is a simple example, but functions can be much more complex and can perform a wide variety of tasks. Function call. Once you've declared and defined a function, you can use it in your program by calling it. A function call is simply a statement that tells the program to execute the function. For example, you might call our function like this, by passing values. In this case, we're passing the values 5 and 3 to the function, which will return their sum. Output, the sum is calculated and displayed. In our example, the result would be 8. This is a simple demonstration of how functions work, but the concept can be applied to much more complex scenarios. Functions save time and reduce repetition by reusing code blocks for multiple tasks. They allow you to write code once and use it multiple times, which can significantly reduce the amount of code you need to write and maintain. Functions can also help you organize your code better. By breaking down your program into smaller, more manageable functions, you can make your code more modular and easier to understand. This is especially important in large projects where keeping track of all the different parts of your code can be challenging. Start using functions today to make your C++ programs clean and efficient. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, mastering functions is a crucial step in becoming a better coder. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick C++ tutorials. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to improve your coding skills. Happy coding!